AB into CD equivalent to 1147. BA into CD equivalent to 2263. Find the values of A, B, C, D. Try to solve it on your own. AB into CD is 1147. BA into CD is 2263. Find the value of A, B, C, D. Solution. AB is nothing but 10A plus B into CD is 1147. BA is 10B plus A. No, even if the values exchange, right? Now see here. Now good that he has asked 37 into 29 is 1073. A could be 3, C could be 2, or A could be 2, B could be 3. B could be 7, D could be 9, or B could be 9, D could be 7. So A and B can take all these values. Chandu, you are right. 10B plus A into CD is 2263. CD, if I take common, CD into 11 into A plus B equivalent to 11, 3410. These is nothing but 310. CD into A plus B is nothing but 310. Once the idea is clear, easily you will get it, sir. CD into A plus B, it is 31 into 10. So here it is 31. D value is 1. If D value is 1, B value is 7. This is 7. A value will be 3. Finish. All the answers I got. All the answers I got. AB into CD. So 37 into 31 will be the answer. So A value can be 3, B value can be 7 or 1, D value can be 1 or 7, C value is 3. So actually the question is, what is the relationship between A and C? A and C both are equal. A and C both are equal. I hope the logic is clear. Directly from here the question, Balaji, if you see the previous question, you will understand. If D is 1, if D is 1, if this is 1, something into 1 is 7, that something value should be 7. B is 7, it is 10, so A value is 3. A value it is 3. 31 into 37. I hope it is clear. Yes. Again for you I am repeating it. AB is a 2-digit number, so 10A plus B. BA is a 2-digit number, so 10B plus A. Add it. 10A plus A, 11 into A plus B into CD is 3410. 11 3 tens are. CD into A plus B is 310. CD into A plus B is 310. CD has to be 31. CD cannot be 62. Why? Because 1147 is an odd number. CD cannot be 5 because A plus B cannot take 62. So if D value is 1, something into other unit digit is 7. So B value is 7. If it is 7, this has to be 10, Balaji. If B is 7, C value is 3. So answer is AB into CD. 37 into 31. 37 into 31. I hope the idea is clear. I hope the idea is clear. Write down the next one. Write down the next point. This variety, I think it is clear. Next one. Note. Note. First key point. If I take odd number series 1, 3, 5, 7 and so on. Sum of first two odd numbers, which is 4. 4 is 2 square. Sum of first three odd numbers, 1 plus 3 plus 5, 9, which is 3 square. Sum of the first four odd numbers, which is 16, which is 4 square, which is 4 square. Answer cannot be 64. How can it be 64 when I got B and D clearly as 7 and 9. 7 plus 9 is 16. 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7, 16, 4 square. Sum of the first 5 odd numbers, which is nothing but 25, which is 5 square. First 2 odd numbers, 2 square. First 3 odd numbers, 3 square. First 4 odd numbers, 4 square. Sum of the first n odd natural numbers. Sum of the first n odd natural numbers. It is n square. Please write down this point. One tricky question we will solve. Sum of the first n odd natural numbers, it is n square. First important point. Sum of the first n odd natural numbers is n square. Second important point. Sum of the first n odd natural numbers is n square. If I take an even number series, 2, 4, 6, 8 and so on. First 2 even numbers, 6, which is 2 square plus 2. First 3 even numbers, which is 12, which is 3 square plus 3. So first 2 even numbers is 2 square plus 2. First 3 even numbers is 3 square plus 3. Sum of the first n even natural numbers is, sum of the first n even natural numbers is n square plus n, which is n into n plus 1. Please write down the next key point. Sum of the first n odd natural numbers is n square. Sum of the first n even natural numbers is n square plus n, which is n into n plus 1. Next slide is extremely important. Please make a note of the next slide. Sum of the first n odd natural numbers, sum of the first n even natural numbers. Sum of the first n natural numbers. Sum of the first n natural numbers is given by n into n plus 1 by 2. Sum of the first n natural numbers is given by n into n plus 1 by 2. Next one, sum of the first squares of the first n natural numbers is given by n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 by 6. First 3 already you know. Next 2 probably that will be new to you. Sum of the cubes of the first n natural numbers is nothing but n into n plus 1 by 2 whole square. All the 3 can be solved so beautifully by using mathematical induction. Put some random values for the left hand side equivalent to right hand side, it will work. That is proof by example, or take x equivalent to 1, it will be right. Prove n equivalent to k, right, and take it for k plus 1 and prove it for k plus 1. Mathematical induction. For example, if n equivalent to 2, this will become 2 into 3 by 2, which is 3. Sum of the first 2 natural numbers. If n is 2, 2 into 3 into 5 divided by 6, which is again nothing but 5. If n equivalent to 2, 1 cube plus 2 cube, which is 9. So 2 into 3 divided by 2 whole square, 3 square is 9. 3 square is 9. Sum of the first n natural numbers, sum of the squares of the first n natural numbers, sum of the cubes of the first n natural numbers. Next important 2 key points are, please write down. Important 2 key points are, sum of the squares of the first n odd numbers. Sum of the squares of the odd numbers is given by n into 4n square minus 1 divided by 3. Please make a note of it, sir. This is something which is not there in the textbooks. Sum of the squares of the first n odd natural numbers. Sum of the squares of the first n odd natural numbers. Sum of the squares of the first n odd natural numbers. Second point, sum of the cubes of the first n odd natural numbers. N square into 2n square minus 1. Please make a note of this. But in the exam, we are not going to solve like this. I will tell you another method. Once I do examples, then I will tell you. 1 square plus 3 square plus 5 square. It is nothing but n into 4n square minus 1 divided by 3. 1 cube plus 3 cube plus 5 cube. It is nothing but sum of the cubes of the first n odd numbers. Extremely important key point, sir. Very, very important key point. Sum of the squares of the first n odd natural numbers, sum of the cubes of the first n odd natural numbers. Example, n equivalent to 2. N equivalent to 2. Check whether it is working or not. N equivalent to 2. If n is equivalent to 2, 1 square plus 3 square, which is 10. If n is 2, 2 into 4 into 2 square, 16 minus 1 divided by 3, which is nothing but 10. If n equivalent to 2, 1 cube plus 3 cube, which is 28. Here n equivalent to 2. 2 square into 2 into 2 square minus 1. 4 into 7, which is nothing but 28. Sum of the squares of the first n natural numbers, sum of the cubes of the first n natural numbers. Please make a note. Sum of the squares of the first n natural numbers, sum of the cubes of the first n natural numbers. There are 5 important key points which I discussed. Sum of the first n natural numbers, sum of the squares of the first n natural numbers, sum of the cubes of the first n natural numbers, sum of the squares of the first n odd natural numbers, sum of the first n odd natural numbers. Even numbers you don't need it because it is a derived version. If it is 2 square plus 4 square plus 6 square and so on up to 10 square. 2 square plus 4 square plus 6 square. These are nothing but 2 square into 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square and so on up to 10 square. These are nothing but 4 into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 divided by 6. 2 5s are 10, 2 3s are 6, 3 7s are. Answer is 4 into 5 into 7 into 11. 4 into 5 into 7 into 11. Idea clear? Idea clear? Vishwanath, I hope the idea is clear. But in the examination, I will use another approach. That approach I will tell you once I do 5 to 6 problems. I hope this idea is clear. 2 square. Now side heading, write down problems. Side heading, write down problems. Problems. Side heading problems. First one. One square minus 2 square plus 3 square minus 4 square plus 5 square minus 6 square and so on up to 19 square minus 20 square. 1 square minus 2 square, 3 square minus 4 square, 5 square minus 6 square, 19 square minus 20 square. A square minus b square, which is a minus b into a plus b. So if I use this, 1 minus 2 into 1 plus 2, 3 minus 4 into 3 plus 4, 19 minus 20 into 19 plus 20. 19 minus 1 minus 2 minus 1, 3 minus 4 minus 1, 19 minus 20 minus 1 into 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 and so on up to 20. Sum of the first n natural numbers is n into n plus 1 by 2. So answer for this question is minus 210. I hope the idea is clear. This is an original competitive examination question, sir. Original competitive examination question. A square minus b square is a minus b into a plus b. A square minus b square is a minus b into a plus b. A minus b into a plus b. A square minus b square is a minus b into a plus b. Minus 1 minus 1 minus 1. 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 and so on up to 20. Sum of the first n natural numbers is n into n plus 1 by 2. So answer for this question is minus 210. First one. Second one, please write down. Second one. 2 square. Just now we solved it by using traditional method. 2 square plus 4 square plus 6 square plus 8 square plus 10 square. Listen carefully, sir. 3 methods I will solve. 2 square plus 4 square plus 6 square plus 8 square plus 10 square. Generic method. Smaller number wantedly I took so that next number becomes easy for you. These 4, these 16, these 36, these 64, these 100, 200, these are nothing but 220. There is a reason why I am taking the general calculation method. Method 1. Method 2. These are nothing but 2 square into 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square plus 4 square plus 5 square. Now see here. 4 into something. Answer should be divisible by 4. Answer should be divisible by 4. This is one hint. Answer should be divisible by 4. This is case 1. Case 2. Case 2. 2 square, these 4, these 16, these 36, these 64, these 100 is 1. Use digital sum concept. If I use digital sum concept, 36 is 9, you can eliminate it. 64 it is 1. 100 digital sum is 1. 4 plus 16, 20. 20 digital sum is 2. 2 plus 1 plus 1, it is 4. Answer digital sum should be 4. Answer digital sum should be 4. And also the number should be divisible by 4. Please make a note of it. From now onwards, we are going to solve it using method number 2 and play with answer options if the values are more. 2 square if I take common. 1 square, 2 square, 3 square, 4 square, 5 square. 2 square is 4. 4 into any number is 4. Answer should be divisible by 4. Answer should be divisible by 4. And 4 is 36 is 9 out. 64 it is 1. 100 it is 1. 16 it is 7. 7 plus 4 11. 11 is 1 plus 1 2. 2 plus 1 plus 1 it is 4. If only method number 2 fails, then only I will go back and see the generic formulae based method. I will use that formulae only if these two options are failing. Only if these two options are failing. Third example, please write down, sir. Third example. 2 square plus 4 square plus 6 square plus 8 square plus 10 square, 12 square, 14 square, 16 square, 18 square and 20 square. If this is given, the first thing what you will do is answer should be divisible by 4. Because 2 square I can take common out. Now see here. 6 square is 36. 9 I don't need. 1 plus 2 is 3. 3 square I don't need. 8 plus 1 is 9. 9 square is 81. 9. Omit 9. Right? 2 square is 4. 4 square digital sum 16. 7. 8 square digital sum 1. 10 digital sum 1. 14 5. 5 square is 25. 7. 17, 16, 1 plus 6, 7, 7 square is 14, 9, which is 4, 2 square is 4, 7 plus 1 plus 1 out, 4 plus 7, 11, 11 plus 4, 15, 15 plus 4, 19, 19 digital sum is 1. 19 digital sum is 1. Answer should be divided by 4 and it should give a digital sum 1. Options are there. Delete the digits whose sum is 9. If you are getting a digital sum 1 and the number is divisible by 4, that itself is the answer. Again, second time I am explaining. 6 square 36, 9 out. 3 square 9 out. 18 square 9 out. 2 square it is 4. 4 square 16, 7. 8 square 64, 10, 1. 10 square it is 1. 14 square 1 plus 4, 15. 15 square is 5 square is 25, 7. 16 square, 7 square 49, 4. 8 plus 7 plus 1 plus 1 out. 8 plus 7, 15. 15 plus 4, 19. Answer digital sum should be 1. This is extremely useful in this kind of questions, where generally people will tell you add from 1 to 11 and subtract it. That is not at all required. 12 square plus 14 square plus 16 square plus 18 square plus 20 square, right? So answer, it should be divisible by 4 because all are even. Even square is divisible by 4. 12 square 3 square 9. 18 square 3 square 9. 1 plus 4 5. 5 square digital sum is 25, 7. 7 square digital sum is 4. 2 square digital sum is 4. 8 plus 7, 15. Answer digital sum should be 6. Answer digital sum should be 6. Answer digital sum should be 6 and answer should be divisible by 4. I hope the approach is clear. Kindly reply in the live chat if this approach is clear to you. If this approach is clear to you, kindly reply in the live chat. 12 square 3 square 9 out. 18 square 9. 14 is 5 square 25, 7. 16 is 7 square 49, 4. 2 square it is 4. 4 plus 4 8. 8 plus 7 15. 15 is 6. Digital sum is 6. Next few questions. Once you understand the idea of it, these all will be clear to you, sir. You will not go back to the formula method. 1 cube plus 2 cube plus 3 cube plus 4 cube plus 5 cube. 1 cube plus 2 cube plus 3 cube plus 4 cube plus 5 cube. Method 1. These 1, these 8, these 27, these 64, 5 cube is 125. These 64 plus 1 plus 8, 9, 9 plus 27, 36, 100, 225. 225 is the answer. Method 2. Apply digital sum. 1 plus 2 cube is 8. 3 cube is 27. 4 cube is 64. 5 cube is 125. 5 cube is 129. 1 plus 8, 9 out. 27 it is 9 out. 64 it is 1. 1 plus 2 plus 5, 8. So entire number is divisible by. Answer is divisible by 9. Answer is divisible by 9. Answer is divisible by 9. Method number 2. In case if you want method number 3, already we discussed if k is an odd number, a1, a2 and so on up to an, if the series is in AP, a1 power k plus a2 power k, an power k is always divisible by a1 plus a2 and so on up to an, and so on up to an. If k is an odd number, a1, a2 and an, if they are in AP, a1 power k, a2 power k, an power k is always divisible by the sum of the bases. So answer is 3 is an odd number. So answer is divisible by 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5. Answer should be divisible by 15. I hope the logic is clear. Answer should be divisible by 15. Either you can use the digital sum logic or you can use k is an odd number logic, or you can use the formula based logic. You know that I generally avoid formulas as much as possible, make you solve this question very logically. I hope it is clear. Method 1 over, method 2 over, method 3 over. Question number 6. Question number 6. Please write down. Question number 6. Suppose if this question is clear to you, it's all about knowing the ideas, sir. 12 cube plus 15 cube plus 16 cube plus 18 cube plus 20 cube. Now, if you think logically, I will discuss a concept. Reminder when a power phi of n divided by n, it is 1. We discussed this. Reminder when a power 6 by 9 is 1, when a and 9 are co-prime to each other. This is an Euler's theorem. How we got 6? 9 is 3 square. Quotient of 9 is 9 into 2 by 3, which is nothing but 6. Right? I hope this concept is clear to you. A and n are co-prime. A and 9 are co-prime. By using this concept, 12 is not co-prime to 9, out. 18 is not co-prime to 9. 14 cube, already we discussed. Everything we discussed in the class, sir. A cube divided by 9, it will be minus 1 in this case. Right? Please check it out. R plus 1 depending upon the numerical value. This also we did it. 14 cube. 1 plus 4, 5. 5 cube is 125. 125 digital sum is 1 plus 2 plus 5, 8. 8 is minus 1. 17 cube. 1 plus 6 is 7. 7 cube is 343. It is plus 1. 2 cube is 8 minus 1. Answer should be, when divided by 9, it gives a remainder minus 1. Where is the calculation here? Why stupid methods of adding 1 cube to 11 cube and subtracting, you will do it. Adding and subtracting, you will do it. I hope the idea is clear. So, a cube by 9 is minus 1 or plus 1. Answer will be either minus 1 or plus 1, because a power 6 is a cube whole square. Minus 1 square is 1, or 1 square 1 is 1 square 1 is 1. I hope the logic is clear. Reminder 1. Minus 1 plus 1 minus 1. One more example. Please write down. 9a minus 1, or other case, 3 is an odd number. If 3 is an odd number, is the series is in AP? Yes. 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. They are in AP. So it is divisible by 12 plus 32, 32, 16. 32 plus 32 plus 16. All are divisible. Answer should also be divisible by 16. Finish. Answer when divided by 9, it gives a remainder minus 1. Answer is also divisible by 16. 12 plus 20 divisible by 16. 14 plus 18 divisible by 16. 16 anyway is divisible by 16. Seventh one, write down one more question. All these logics, you will not get it in a proper structured way. I am sure enrolled students got all the 117 videos added into their online portal. Kindly all the enrolled students, in case if you have checked it, kindly reply in the live chat in case if you got the access. In case if you got 117 videos, right, each video ranging from minimum 20 minutes to maximum 1 hour. I hope you got it. Kindly reply it in the live chat. Kindly reply it in the live chat. Enrolled students are the luckiest students, sir. They will get all these videos added into their portal at no extra cost. No extra cost. That is something which I was telling. YouTube live classes is free to you. Purchase it. It will become costly for you. At the time people have ignored it. Now they have to pay for it. Next one. Seventh one. 2 power 5, 5 power 5, 8 power 5, 13 power 5. 2 power 5, 5 power 5, 8 power 5 and 13 power 5. 13 power 5. 2 power 5, 5 power 5, 8 power 5. One way to look at it is method 1. 5 is an odd number, so it is divisible by sum of its bases. 2 plus 5 plus 8 plus 13, 7 plus 8, 15, 15 plus 13, it is 28. Answer should be divisible by 4 and 7. Answer is divisible by 4 and 7. I hope it is clear. Method 2, digital sum. Don't fear looking at these questions. Digital sum. 2 power 5, it is 32, 5. 5 power 5, 5 power 5 is nothing but everything write down, sir. Always write down. Remember these golden rules, sir. Don't forget it. A cube divided by 9. Either it will be minus 1 or plus 1. Remember this. Convert everything into a cube form. Why? Because you will understand the digital sum very easily. 5 cube is 125, 8. 8 when divided by 9, minus 1. 5 square is 25, 7. Minus 7. Positive remainder is 2. Second one, it is 2. 8 when divided by 8 1. These 11s are not 13. These 11. Right? 8 when divided by 9, minus 1. Right? 11 when 11 power 5. 11 power 5. 11 cube into 11 square. Convert everything into power 3 form. 11 is 2 cube minus 1. Minus 1 into 2 square 4. Minus 4. 5 minus 4 1. 2 minus 1 1. So 1 plus 1 is 2. 1 plus 1 is 2. I hope it is clear, right? First we will see what if the elements are in AP series. Power is an odd number, then the power is an even number, then what if the series is not in AP? What if the series is not in AP? I hope the logic is clear. 5 is an odd number. Sorry, sir. I made a mistake here. Calculation, please take care. First one. These is nothing but. I made a mistake here. I hope it is clear to you. It is 11. 2 plus 5, 7. 7 plus 8, 15. 15 plus 11 is 26. That means answer should be divisible by 2 and 13. I hope the logic is clear. I made a mistake. Chandu, you are right. It is not 13, it is 11. Even if it is 13, that logic also we will solve it. That logic also we will solve it. I hope the logic is clear. Everybody kindly reply. I hope why we are writing as 5 cube into 5 square. That also logic it is clear. That also logic I think it should be clear. 11 is 2, 2 cube is 8, 8 is minus 1, 2 square is 4, minus 4. 5 plus 2 minus 1 minus 4. These 1, 2 minus 1 is 1. 1 plus 1 is 2. Answer should be divisible by 13. Answer should give digital sum 2. Everybody kindly reply in the live chat if it is clear to you. Generally people will tell only few things. Sum of the first and natural number, sum of the squares, cubes. As if there are no other questions that can be developed. I hope the logic is clear. Next one. Next one. What if the power is in 2 power 4 plus 5 power 4 plus 7 power 4 plus 13 power 4. The series is not in AP. The series, okay, series is not in AP. If the series is not in arithmetic progression, if the series is not in arithmetic progression, how to solve? Remember this concept, don't forget it. A cube divided by 9 is minus 1 or plus 1. A cube divided by 9 is minus 1 or plus 1. 2 power 4 is 2 cube into 2 power 1. 2 cube is 8. 8 divided by 1. minus 1 into 2, which is minus 2. First one digital sum is 7. Digital sum is 7. Don't show your intelligence, find the value. 5 cube into 5 power 1, 125, 8 minus 1, minus 5, positive remainder is 4. 7 power 4, no need to solve it. 7 cube into 7 power 1, it is 1 into 7, which is digital sum 7. 13 power 4, 13 cube into 13 power 1. 13 when divided by 9, 9 ones are 9, positive remainder is 4. 4 cube is 64, 1 into 3, 4, 4. 4 plus 7, 11, 2, these also 2. Answer digital sum is 4. I hope the idea is clear. What if the series is not in arithmetic progression? What if the series is not in arithmetic progression? Wonderful concepts in our class, thematic based learning. Thematic based learning. But unfortunately, from 18th onwards, 18th I am going to do an announcement. I am going to start an complete algebra batch online. Only the students who enroll for that batch will get the classroom link online. Only on clicking the class, they can see the class in the mobile or in their online web portal. Only the students, because I see a lot of students, right, just because it is free, right, they don't respect the time and effort that I keep in taking the classes, right? Series is not in arithmetic progression. I hope the logic is clear. Next one. What if the powers are little higher? See how starting from 11 power 136 plus 17 power 136 plus 23 power 136. Power is an even numbers are here. Power is an even numbers. You can solve the problem in two methods. Method number 1, digital sum. Always remember, a cube divided by 9, it is minus 1 or plus 1. 11 cube power 12. 17 cube power 12. Easily you will get digital sum, sir. 23 cube power 12. 11 cube, 2 cube, 8 minus 1 power 12. 17, 1 plus 7, 8. 8 cube, 8 is minus 1, minus 1 power 12. 23, 2 plus 3, 5 cube is 125, 8. 8 divided by 9, minus 1. Answer digital sum should be 3. Most of the students will not solve this question, but it's an easy question. Digital sum is 3. I hope the idea is clear. Or in case, I hope method 1 is clear, right? Method 1 is clear. This is the best method, or otherwise finding the values and doing it, which is very, very cumbersome. What is that method? 11 cube, and the series is in AP, right? So you can find it out. 136. 136 is it divisible by any odd number? 3 into, no, it is not divisible, so you cannot convert. So this method is the best method. I hope it is clear. Remember this approach. A cube divided by 9 is minus 1 plus or minus 1. Now I will give a table to you. If k is a natural number, two cases. K is an odd number. K is an even number. K is an odd number. Series is in AP. Series is not in AP. Series is in AP. Series is not in AP. If the series is in AP, it is divisible by A1 plus A2 and so on up to n. If the series is not in AP, use digital sum concept. If the series is in AP, suppose for example 2 cube plus 4 cube plus 6 cube. Take 2 cube common. 1 cube plus 2 cube plus 3 cube. This is the divisibility rule. This is the divisibility rule. If the series is not in AP, use a digital sum. Only these 4 cases will come in any of the questions. Please take a screenshot of this, right? Screenshot of this. Now 1 minute, sir. Why did I do for 36? Ananya, I hope you have understood the logic. You have understood the logic. Did I do for 36? Please understand the logic. I hope you understood the logic, right, Ananya? Calculation, you take care. Calculation, you take care. Any sum of the numbers, you can use this logic. Any sum of the numbers, you can do this logic. Idea is clear. I hope the idea is clear. If any calculation mistakes are there, you please take care of it. Any doubt in this series related problems, please let me know. Kindly reply in the live chat. In case you got any doubts. You got any doubts? Everybody kindly reply, sir. Is this logic clear? You want to ask any doubts, you can ask me in this series. I want a crystal clear clarity on this concept. Clarity at its best. Conceptual clarity at its best. Non-usage of formulae at its best. Identifying the best approaches. Identifying the best approaches. I hope it is clear. Everybody, you create your own questions, sir. You create your own questions. You will only get the idea. 2 power 5, 5 power 5, 8 power 5, 11 power 5. Which logic to use? 1 power 13, 2 power 13, 3 power 13, 4 power 13. Which logic to use? 8 power 12 plus 17 power 12 plus 21 power 12. Which logic to use? 17 power 24 plus 19 power 24. Which logic to use? I am explaining with 4 examples. Sheikh Walif, these for you. These are nothing but it is divisible by 2 plus 5 plus 8 plus 11. 13 plus 13, 26. It is answer is divisible by 2 and 13. 2 and 13. 2 power 5, 2 cube into 2 square, 5 cube into 5 square, 8 cube into 8 square, 11 cube into 11 square, 8 minus 1 minus 4, 125, 8 minus 1, 25 is 7, minus 7, 8 cube minus 1, 64 minus 1, 11 cube minus 1, 121, 4. Minus 8 means plus 1. This answer when divided by 9, it gives a remainder 1. I hope it is clear. Next one, 17 power 24. This is nothing but 17 power 8 power 3 plus 19 power 8 power 3. This is divisible by a plus b. Very long number. 17, 8 divided by 9 minus 1, it is plus 1. 9 over 1. Answer when divided by 9, it is a remainder 2. Just by looking at a question itself, you will get the logic. This is divisible by 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4. These also 8 divided by 9, 1. 8 divided by 9, it is 1. 3 power any number starting from 3, it is divisible. This is 9b plus 2. I hope this logic is clear to you. I hope this logic is clear to you. Write down one more question. Sum of first n are odd natural numbers. Please tell me these answers, sir. Sum of odd natural numbers from 1 to n, it is 10201. Find n. Find n. The student who tells these answer first and gets it right, I will give 1 month number system course free, sir. 1 month number system course free if you tell the right answer for this question. Sum of the odd natural numbers from 1 to n is 10201. Find n. The first student who tells the answer in the live chat will get 1 month number system course free. First student who tells the right answer. Let me wait for the answers. What is the answer for this question? Sheikh Wali, I hope it is clear. I hope it is clear. Sum of the odd natural numbers from 1 to n is 10201. Find the value of n. Tell me the value of n, Sarujit. Kindly tell me the value of n. What is the answer for this question? Sum of the odd natural numbers from 1 to n is 10201. Find the value of n. Find the value of n. Cherry, you are. Let me wait. Let me wait. Let me wait. Everybody kindly give the answer, sir. Please give the answers. Type your answer whether it is right or wrong. Whether it is right or wrong. Kindly type your answers. Kindly type your answers. Right. Now I have got the right answer. Adyan classes has given the right answer. Other students are not reading the question perfect. I got the answer. Adyan classes, kindly WhatsApp to the helpline number to get the 1 month number system course free beta. 100 hours of content is free. Adyan classes, please. I got the answer. Answer for this question is 201. You are not reading the question. I said sum of the odd natural numbers. Very good, beta. Right? Concept 1357. Maybe the students who are getting 101, I really think that you should be a part of the number system course.